Alright, hopefully this works now. Earlier I uploaded a small short log. Some of you guys wondered why it was so short. It was just some shorties that come with the tree service, and it made 4 foot 1x, so I made it. Yeah, a lot of women will come here and they'll buy an 8-footer and want to cut it in half, so I would rather just have the short shit and use it if I can. Appreciate you letting me know the sound wasn't working. On my end, I thought it was, so appreciate it, Joe. Alright, well, we're just making 1x6s out of this one, 1x8s. And then, can't really end it in a 6x6. It has a big hole in the other end. So, the other ones will end in 6x6. So, here we go. I guess it turned out some alright boards. These are just my discount boards. I sell these, a lot of these 1x6s for $5 at each, which it's just knocking $1 off the normal $6 price. Everybody else is down to $1.50 a board foot on oak right now, so me, I don't mind dropping it down a little bit just to keep them selling. And then on my 1x8s, I sell those for $7. So, but yep, hit a bullet. I think you guys might have seen somebody that's been around for a while. I've hit a few here in Holton. Everybody likes to shoot trees, I guess. I mean, I know everybody's seems like got guns. That's all you hear steadily. Not complaining. I love the sound of it, knowing that it's just somebody shooting, and not like in the city. Usually you hear a gun and it's somebody getting shot. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'm gonna, I guess, well, I'll bring you guys along here for a second. Let's just peek and see. It didn't really change much in the cutting, but I mean, there's 48 teeth here, so on a 50 blade. God, I just put a good sharpening on it too. I thought I had it pretty good, and then I just a second ago noticed my guide pin was all out of whack. Yeah, that one right there looks a little, maybe not. Oh yeah, oh no, that's still sharp as shit, huh? Well, that's always good, hitting a lead bullet instead of a steel shank, so I'm not complaining. That looks like we're good. I tell you what, I'm gonna do this next log and I guess decide after that. Alright everyone, have a good rest of your Friday. It's a hot day here today, and I guess we might have rain moving in again. Yeah, I don't know why that sound didn't record, but it was just a shorty. And then I don't know if you guys, I don't know how much of it heard, but me moving around on the tractor this morning was just cleaning up. I had another tree service call. I didn't see a name, just a guy said he owned a tree service and needed a spot to dump. So I haven't seen him yet, but if it's a one-man crew, they might just be dumping at the end of the day. So, all right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Till next time.